Hi guys, I'm Saad Asif from LecTech. Today I will show you how to start with Android Studio. We will develop our first Android app within few minutes. Now let's create new project. I name it first class. In company domain you can write anything. I'm writing my company name LecTech. From here we can choose our minimum API level, like what version it should support, example KitKat or more. Press next. Here it is asking to choose activity type. There are multiple activity types: basic activity, empty activity, full screen activity, Google Map activity. We will choose empty activity for your ease. Now here is the activity name. Let it be the main activity. Now it is building the first project, first class. Let me introduce you the app hierarchy. In app we have Java files where we code, we have design files where we create designs and attach those designs with code files, like here in app, in source, this is the app folder, it contains source. In source main we have Java. In Java we write code in Java, it is the Java class. And in resource file we have layout. This is the layout. It was created when we created the first activity. Android Studio created it by itself, and here we are setting the content view. We name the content view as the name of layout. Now it will render this layout in our main activity class. This is the design view. It is the views hierarchy. We can put any kind of views inside it, like we have relative layout, and I converted it to linear layout for your ease. In linear layout the views are placed linearly. In relative layout views are placed relatively to the parent and to other views. But now in linear layout I have set its orientation to vertical. Now each view in the linear layout will be placed vertically. Now from here we can set the properties, like I set the property of text size, setting its width to match parent. It will expand the width like the parent. Setting the gravity as center, it will center its content. Now we have a text view. Here you can see match parent means it will increase its size to match the parent. In drawable we insert images, like let's copy any image. Let me copy, and I will paste it in the drawable. This is the name of the drawable. I change it to image icon. Now here we have a drawable. Now I can set the linear layouts background I will set that drawable as a background in the linear layout. Here it is the drawable, and let me choose, and now we have a background. In values, there are multiple XML files like color. We define the color code here and name them, and we use their names in our code. For reusability, we define them in other files. In dimensions, we can set the dimensions, like let me create another dimension and we name it the main activity text size, and I set it to 32 dp. Now I will use this name in the main XML file, 32 sp. Now I will use this. That's as in this layout. Now here in text size, in dimensions, this is my dimension. If I will increase its size, you can observe here. You can observe that the size has been increased. Here we can store strings. We name the string and define the value. Like we can use these string in a project multiple times, and we don't have to change everywhere. Just define them here in this file and use the name of a string in all of your project, because whenever you need a change, you can change this in this file. Here I am setting the text, choosing the string that I recently created. Now here, hello Fox, my first app, is the text. Color primary dark, these are the default values. I can add new one as I created the strings. I can create color codes, colors, dimensions, strings, anything in these files. Now I'm setting the color that is already defined in the colors file. It's primary, color primary dark. Here you can see the text has become a blue. In styles, we have different styles, different themes. We use these themes in designs. Let it be simple. Minimum SDK version shows that on which devices on which minimum SDK this application should run. And these are the dependencies. If you are using any other library, you can add their Gradle, add their Maven here. It will download those libraries and we can use them in our project. Like let me add another library, like let me add Google Play services here. Let me add the Google Play services. Now whenever this project compiles, it will load these libraries or download these libraries and add them to their project. For syncing Gradle, this syncing Gradle will download these libraries. I'm not using it in the dependencies right now because we don't have to include Google Play service in our project. I have removed that dependency. This is the manifest file. It is kind of configuration file. Let me add another activity for you. That activity will appear here. Go to Java, right click, new Java, new activity, empty activity. Name your activity, and the second one is the layout. file of that activity. Layout name, it will create that file by itself. Now we have another activity I recently created, that is home activity. This is the home activity design. This is the main activity design. In manifest you can see that here is the second activity I just created. That activity I just created appears here. I can copy this filter and paste it inside this activity, then this activity will become a launcher activity. Launcher activity means whenever app launches, this activity will be the first activity to be launched. I revert them back. Now my launcher activity is the main activity. Let me run the emulator. I'm using the Genymotion emulator. It is quite good and fast in a comparison with AVD. Whenever my here is my Genymotion Google Nexus emulator. Now my app will launch here. Here is my first app. You can see this is the first main activity and this is the first app. It is the very basic tutorial for you. I hope it will help. Now wait for the second tutorial. Please like and subscribe my page. Thanks.